I have been wanting to do a review on this book for a really long time. I keep using it, so I need to get it done so that I can fill it up. So I really love this book. It's Learn Brush Lettering for Large Brush Tip Pens by Kelly Creates. And she has a book just like this for the small brush pens. And I got this from Amazon. And when you buy things off Amazon, you don't always get to see what's inside the book. And so I wanted to show you what was inside today. So she explains the basic strokes, and then she starts right here. And you can see where I've started. But it shows the strokes, and then it gives you 1, 2, 3 pieces of tracing paper to be able to practice that many times. Here's the underturns and the overturns. And the compound curves. Reverse compound curves. So once you use these, you can rip them out or leave them in. But after you turn the pages so many times, the book starts getting really fat. So it's nice to be able to tear those out. And it goes on to the ovals. And she doesn't go in alphabetical order. She starts with the easiest letters first. Skip through my practice pages. B, W, X, L and H, K and J, Y and F, O, A, C, E and D, G and Q, B and P, Z and R, and S. Why S gets its whole page. I guess it's a harder one to do. I don't know. And then she starts with the uppercase letters. A and B. C and D. E and F. And I really like her font. It's very pretty. G and H. I and J. K and L. M and N. O and P. This is another thing I really like, is how she's broken down the strokes so that you can do each stroke separately and then put it together. And it has arrows so that you know that you're going the right direction. And then you put it together. You may have noticed that I'm left-handed. So I have to hold my pen and my paper completely different than what you would do if you were right-handed. I have to do it sideways so that I can get the wide strokes on my downstroke. UMV WX Y and Z. And that's it. It's just a book to practice, and I absolutely love it because you can go over the letters so many times with as many pieces of vellum as are in here, so that you can get the stripes down and master her beautiful font. So that's Kelly Creates' book. Hope you are as excited to learn brush lettering as I am now that we have an easy way to practice. If you have this book, or if you're interested in getting it, I'd love to hear what you think. I'll put a link below to where you can get this book from Amazon. Learn brush lettering. It's lots of fun. Thanks for watching.